So when you are mindful, what you are full of is your ability to remember at that moment what it is that you're doing. Like the Zen masters say, when you walk, walk. When you wash, wash. When you eat, eat. But how many times do we catch ourselves walking and talking, walking and eating, driving and eating? So many times. Which is why we impose more stresses on ourselves. We increase the demands that we are working against. Why do we do that? Because we've forgotten to be mindful of doing what we're doing. It may seem to take longer, but it works much better for you. Let's say when eating, eat. Just eat. Savor the taste. Allow the teeth to do the job of pulping whatever is going in. So that when it goes in, not only have you savored the taste and digested it properly, you have also allowed the stomach and the intestines and the enzymes to work less. And if those parts of the body are working less, they are consuming less energy. And so you are left with a lot more energy to work with through the rest of the day. Otherwise, after the meal, you just sit too much. And you waste so much time. You see, everybody's got 24 hours. The time is outside us, we cannot control it. We can only control what's inside us. And what's inside us is our energy. So instead of wasting our energy on letting the stomach process the food, we spend an extra 5 minutes processing the food properly when eating. Eat mindfully, remembering what it is that you are doing. And boom, we've got a lot more energy for our mental activity, for our physical activity, for interacting with people, for handling situations and everything else.